What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. XOXO Sheba here. If you're new to my channel, hello and welcome. And if you're an OG subscriber, what's good? Welcome back. So in today's video, this was actually a request by Asia H. She commented on my Rainmaker video that I did where I like really thinned out that Rainmaker wig, and she asked me if I could see if I could do something with Boss Lady. So that's the wig we're going to be working on today, is Boss Lady. I never went and picked this one up because I just wasn't a fan of how much work I had to do to Rainmaker. It came out pretty good at the end and it did look very natural, but there was just some like the cons to it. I just didn't want to get another one. But, you know, at the request of Miss Asia H, I was like, well, let me see what I can do with this. Taking a look, it's got brown tinted lace already. It is a curved part unit. It's got two combs. It's got your comb in the back, and it does have adjustable straps. And then it is one of the units that you can stick your hands through. It's the netted cap. So the texture up front, it feels a little bit softer to me than Rainmaker did. So I already like that about it. But we'll get into it and see what needs to be done once I put it on and doctor it up. I like the curls so far. I think they, they got some potential to them. So again, see what I can do. Not much I can do with the lace front area because there's barely any lace frontal edge or anything. So I guess I should take, this wig off and put this one on. Alright, so now this wig is finished in style. Let's talk about what I think about this unit. So it's definitely like, I don't know what it is with these natural units that these synthetic companies make. It's not just this one, but they're always like just a little too thick. Some are a lot too thick, but they're always just a little too thick. So, this one did need to be thinned out, as well as Rainmaker did need to be thinned out, but this wasn't as bad as Rainmaker. I spent probably about 2-3 minutes taking some hair out of this unit, so it really wasn't that bad, but it still has to be done. You just don't want your wig, especially your synthetic wig, too raised up because it looks wiggy that way. So I just had to flatten it down a little bit. I put a little heat on it. I wouldn't necessarily say it's heat safe because it did melt a few hairs out. My comb was up kind of high though, my hot comb. It was up kind of high, so that might happen. But if you do it on a lower setting, like on the lowest kind of setting, in order to put some heat on this one. If you do a higher setting, like just make it quick though, because you will burn a few hairs out. But it it kind of all worked out in the end. So I didn't melt the wig though, so that's good. Like it's not like melted together or nothing. What I am noticing about this line of units, like the Rainmaker and this one Boss Lady, is that they look shorter on the package than they come in person. Like on the stock card for, what is the other one, Rainmaker, it's sat about here on the stock card, but it comes down super long about there when you put it on. Versus this one, it looks like it sits about here, but when you put it on, it sits about here. Now, maybe that's just because I have a short neck. I don't know. The hair is actually a lot softer than a lot of kinkier textured units that we get in synthetic. So I'm happy about that, because sometimes they be all like dry and crunchy and just like Brillo pad-ish. And it's like, is that what you think of our hair? It's got the right amount of coarseness mixed with still being a little soft. And of course, it's not human hair, so it can only do so much for like $30, so I ain't tripping. As far as the cap size is concerned, I would say it's pretty average head friendly. I did push this back onto my natural edges, but I could have pulled it forward if I wanted to. I just wanted to use my natural edges since this was a natural textured unit. But it's not snug. Like, it fits, don't get me wrong, but it's not like super snug. If you have an average head, this will fit fine for you. If you have a bigger head, it may be a little snug, but not like uncomfortable. And if you have a smaller head, of course, you can adjust the straps. Of course, because of the way it is styled and the texture that they created it in, you're going to experience a little bit of tangling. Outside of me actually, you know, thinning out the unit, I haven't experienced any shedding. Just a little bit of tangling, but that would be, you know, expected. This isn't the type of unit you run your hands through anyway. It's the type you just let be. You know, maybe brush it out after a while, but not too much because you don't want to lose the curl. But, you know, you're not really trying to like manipulate this too much once you've done it the first time. I actually like this unit more than I liked Rainmaker. I know I keep bringing up Rainmaker, but that's the other wig in this line that I have to compare it to because I already reviewed that too. So, but if you're looking to choose between the two, this is, to me anyways, you know, to me this is the better option. Let me give y'all the full 360. So we got the side to the back. Almost knocked something over. And the other side. Shout out again to Asia H for making the suggestion that I pick up this unit and see what I can do with it. I hope I did it justice for you because I know you asked me about that because you wanted to purchase it, but you didn't know how it was going to look. So I hope this helped you out, and I hope that helped anyone else out who was wondering the same thing as she was. How does Boss Lady really look? If you want to pick it up, I will link it down below in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to get the comment shout out in the next video, comment down below in this video or any of my videos really, and I check my comments and there will always be a comment winner in the video. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.